What's up guys, I am back with another unboxing. Now, before I get into it, y'all already know what to do. Hit that like button, drop a comment, please subscribe, and I appreciate you guys coming. Now, as you guys know, I always have a backstory to shoes and things that I get that I really been wanting, and I really wanted these. They were on Go. Let me see if they're still on Go and how much they were, because I saw them on Go and I was like, I'm not paying that. Wait, why is my Go account not logged in? Hopefully I know the password, because that password didn't work. That's so strange. So I know on Go they were up to like $327, and I was like, ooh, I don't think I really want to pay that for some New Balance. Not that I wouldn't, but I just didn't want to pay for these. So something told me on Black Friday, just jump online and see if they're available, because they weren't on the website at all. And then I looked on and they were there. So of course I had to get them, and the fact that I got them at original price is even better. They're so beautiful. The day that I ordered it, I was at work and I saw a girl with them on and I was like, yes. You know how you purchase something and you're like, okay, I'm glad I did that. I'm really glad I purchased it. So these are them. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already like bust open the box a little bit. Love the gray. It matches like everything in the back. Plus I have on gray right now. Ironically, I did not plan this. These are them. You guys ready? They are so nice. So first, they are the New Balance 9060. I got a 7.5 because the last pair of New Balance I got in an 8 were just too big. So I was literally guessing and hoping that these would fit, because I couldn't find them at any New Balance stores, and they didn't have them at any like Champs, Foot Action, Foot Locker, or any stores like that. These are them. First of all, you know what really attracted me to them? The bottom. I don't know why the bottoms are so nice to me. I don't know, for some reason they give me like Balenciaga. Like if Balenciaga and New Balance had a collaboration, I feel like these would be them, because they're slightly bulky, but they're not like heavy bulky. Love the detail, love the grays, love how this is like a shinier, almost like silver glitter. It got the New Balance number right there, New Balance 9060. Really like these. This is also like a kind of like a off-white color. This silver thing right here is pretty cool. It's like a texture to the shoe. Obviously the New Balance logo on the back. They kind of look like, I don't know if y'all remember those old Nike Shox. Gotta put a picture up. The old Nike Shox over here. They kind of look like those, but just with a New Balance. And then like this view looks freaking amazing. From the top, it looks so good when you put them on. Yeah, I was super excited to get these, and I only got them for $150. It was my first time ordering from the New Balance website, so you get like a welcome 15% off, but I wasn't able to apply it to this, which is okay. I wish I would have, because that would at least cover some taxes, made it a little cheaper. But these are nice. Out of the comfort level, I have to give them a 10 out of 10. I haven't wore them all day, I just tried them on, but trying them on, they're so comfy, it's cozy. I am truly dead. I may buy them in the black pair too. The black pair is really nice. I think I should get them in the black pair. I plan on wearing these with like maybe like some gray sweats. I want like a long trench coat, not a trench coat, but like either like a cream or gray or like wool looking cardigan or something like that. I think that'd be super fly. Maybe with even a beanie, because it is colder up here. Don't want them to get dirty, but I don't think they will. This is like a suede material, so you just got to be careful. I probably need to get some shoe spray, some protectant, so that way I could keep these keep them nice and clean. But as of now, these are probably going to be one of my shoes that's going to be heavy in my rotation. I don't know why I feel like I want to wear these. I need to get me a pair of Bottegas. I would love to get the all black with the clear bottom. I think those would be dope. I'm just feeling black and grays and creams lately. Like I kind of want to dedicate my life to only wearing that for the rest of my life, and I'm okay with that. I do have stuff that's colored now, because I find pieces that I like that only come in colors. But for the most part, I think I like to wear grays, creams, black, and like nude colors and stuff like that. But yeah, these are my New Balances 9060s. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to be short, simple, straight to the point. I can't wait to style them and put them on for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know if I should or shouldn't get the black ones. I'm down for the get down. So as always, guys, I'm out.